Hey guys, if you haven't seen Smoking at House video, yep. So I'll show you a new that I forgot to show you. Yep. If you haven't seen this video, oh my god. Okay, if you haven't seen Smoking at House video, yeah, that's where I forgot to write this, but this was our first microwave, I guess. But then it got broken, so you have to replace the outing thing to this a sharp circle. It's immediately a sharp circle. So thank for my mom for a new microwave. Oh, they have. I forgot to show you guys. Right there. I'm not gonna show you. They have popcorn here. From now on, guess we don't have to worry about it. Check out Smoking Hot video. That's what happened. Bye bye guys.